In front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at the very beginning, you need to open the settings, then find and select themes and wallpapers. And now just select theme if you would like to change the whole theme, or wallpapers to pick another wallpaper. So pick if you would like to change your lock or home screen. I will pick home screen. Choose the picture that you want to add. It can be this one. You can also show more to find some further options. And if you'd like to make this picture your cover one, tap on apply. And then confirm if you'd like to set it as your lock screen as well. And that's it, as you can see from now on. Okay, so we need to wake it up a bit. As you can see, it has been already applied on your lock screen. And still not on your home screen, so let's make it one more time. Show more. Now we can pick another one. Apply. Set as lock. Nope, just home screen, as we already customized the lock screen, and here it is. So your brand new wallpaper is covering home screen as well. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.